Hi everyone, welcome back to Lavish Beads and Accessories. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to design a customized heart bracelet using African beads. This is beginner friendly and perfect if you love unique handmade jewelry. Let's get started. I'm adding a love charm to the bracelet before adding my beads to it. I'm carefully adding the African beads to the customized bracelet one step at a time. Take your time and make sure the beads are evenly placed for a neat finish. Keep measuring with your wrist to see if the size is okay for you. Tie it in a knot to secure it. And here's the final result, a beautiful, customized heart bracelet with African beads. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bracelets, earring, and beading designs. Share this video with someone who loves handmade jewelry, and I'll see you in the next one.